Welcome to third tutorial on equality in Islam. In this we will look at the importance of religious freedom, how Muslims respond to religious freedom, as well as the benefits and challenges of multi-faith societies. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights says people have the right to choose, practice and leave any religion, or follow none at all. A multi-faith society is a society made up of different religious communities. Believers are divided into three categories. Pluralists say all faiths have an equal claim to the truth. Inclusivists say their faith is completely right and other religions are only partly true. Exclusivists say only their religion is true and others are wrong. The Quran, Hadith and Sunnah refer to religious freedom. Nobody can be forced in or out of a faith. People have a duty to tell others about their religion, but it is not their responsibility to make people convert. Risalah, or prophethood, and holy books are two of the 6 beliefs for Sunni Muslims. Prophets like Musa and Ibrahim are important to Christians and Jewish people too. They believe in the Torah, which was revealed to Musa, and Sahifa, revealed to Ibrahim. Because of their connections with the Abrahamic faiths, Muslims show respect to these faiths. It also follows Muhammad's example, who let Christians pray in the mosque in Medina. Insulting other faiths would disturb the peace too, which is against Islam. Prophet Muhammad once heard people arguing over who was a better prophet between him and Musa. Muhammad said he wasn't superior. He also said Muslims had a duty to look after places of worship for other faiths and allow the religions they wanted to follow. While Islamic teachings say people can follow their own religions, there is special consideration given to the Abrahamic religions. Only believers of these faiths are able to go to Jannah. Muslims who are religious exclusivists say that Islam is Allah's one true and chosen religion. They say previous holy books contained mistakes, which is why the Quran was revealed to Muhammad. Finally, belief in Isa as Son of God is shirk in Islam. Muslims would say it's their duty to spread the faith of Islam while also not denying people their right to believe and practice their own religions. Can you remember the benefits and challenges of multi-faith societies? There are several benefits of multi-faith societies, like easily learning about different religions. It also promotes community cohesion, which means there's a common vision among everyone in society, with all people feeling as though they belong. Tolerance of differences is encouraged. People of all faiths can feel safe and comfortable practicing their religion without fear and discrimination. Also, different practices, like yoga and meditation, have been introduced to the UK through Eastern religions. There are disadvantages too though. For example, exclusivists may criticize other faiths, which can lead to disharmony. Also, lots of people still face discrimination because of their faith, especially British Muslims. Finally, believers, particularly younger ones, may lose their faith and leave their religion for another, or none at all, and become an atheist. The British Humanist Association campaigns for an end to faith schools. Many atheists also say that some people preach their message in a way that interferes with individual freedom. Some Muslims would respond by saying that they have a duty to tell others about their faith, so that more people can go to Jannah, but that their intention isn't to force anyone into a faith, which follows the teachings of Muhammad. In the exam you might be asked to explain the benefits of multi-faith societies, or argue for and against there being limits to religious freedom. In summary, many Muslim teachings promote religious freedom and respect for all faiths. Most Muslims see multi-faith societies as a good thing. Some non-religious people object to faith schools and believers preaching about their religion.